What's up guys, today I am going to show you how to use fingerprint lock on your WhatsApp. So let's get into it. I'm going to open my WhatsApp here. So then I'm going to hit settings button here and go to settings. So then you need to go to account here. Account where you can find privacy, security and change number. These options are there, so get into it. Next you want to go inside privacy, so click privacy and then go to the bottom of that page. So here you see fingerprint lock. Okay, so click here. So after that I had it already switched on, so let me just put it off. Okay, I'm again going to fingerprint lock and click this button to switch on the setting unlock with fingerprint. Okay, so click here. So it will ask for your confirmation with fingerprint, so touch your sensor with your finger. Make sure you already had set fingerprint on your settings, on your settings of your phone, screen lock settings. So touch the sensor with your finger. So okay, says okay. So there are three options with fingerprint. How long you want to stay unlocked. So one option is immediately. That means as soon as you get out from the apps, it will just get locked immediately. Okay, so another option there, it's after 1 minute. So it will get you time 1 minute after you exit the app, and if you just come back again within 1 minute, it will you will get it unlocked, it won't be locked. So there is a third option, that is after 30 minutes. That means you know what, it will just stay unlocked as long as 30 minutes. So within 30 minutes you can come back again without um, any trouble, unlocking it again with your finger. So I suggest you go with after 1 minute, because it will save you from much trouble or annoyance, and uh, also keep you safe. So if you pick up immediately, that will sometimes you may feel bored with so much unlocking every time you just exit the app. So if you choose up to 30 minutes, that will put your privacy on risk, because maybe your phone can get someone else within 10 minutes after you just leave the apps, and they will get into your app, and they will be able to get into your WhatsApp. So the best option, I think, after 1 minute. And if you are so much concerned about your privacy, if you just frequently hand over your phones to someone else, then I think you can go with the first option, that is immediately. So I'm gonna stick to after 1 minute option. Let's see whether it works or not. So I'm getting back, exiting my app and going back to it again. So okay, it's not yet 1 minute. So maybe just the sake of showing you, I'm gonna change it to immediately. Okay, so let's get back and launch it again. Okay, you see, so WhatsApp locked, so you need to just trust the sensor, it will get unlocked. Okay guys, this was today's tutorial. I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, please subscribe my channel and share and like. You will get cool videos tutorial here. Okay, so having said that, today I'm gonna wrap up. Bye bye.